I'm reeling up.
I guess I got popped that way, huh? Maddie, reel yours up, please.
Reel it in, Maddie.
Reel yours up, Maddie.
All right, Lindsay, can you put it in neutral? Just clip it forward. Just clip it forward. No. I mean, sorry, backward. Backward.
Pull it back.
It wouldn't have done anything. There you go. Boy, you know, the English language is tricky devil, isn't it? Oh yeah. That push button's kind of nice. How close is it? Well. Is this filming?
72, 70.
Yeah, it is. All right.
Here it comes.
Yeah, he's bending pretty good. Probably the same size as mine. Oh, he's a little bigger, maybe.
Oh, crap. No, he's a good one.
Could be a brown. This doesn't. It look. Yeah. Bring him to the right, please. Can't. No, other side of the damn. Bring him over. We can't both be on the same side of the boat.
I know.
Chunker. Nice. It's like salmon size. I mean, you expect me to go over there?
I know. He's fighting.
He's hooked well. Wow. Chunky sucker. He's all twisted up. He's hooked well. Oh, nice. Big fat sucker.
That's a big match.
Oh my god!
All right.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yeah.
Okay, now we
Get the scale on that bad boy.
I'm gonna go 5 or 6 pounds.
Oh, I've got some.
Oh my god!